I'm Thomas, and this year I'm the president of Gaucho Racing. We're part of a broader student competition called Formula SAE. We compete in the Formula Electric division. So it's for students to design and build and test their own race cars. It's designed to be entirely student-driven. Pretty much all the design, all the fabrication, all the funding is all led by students. It's almost like a production level car. So I think it's the best way to get a feel for what actually working in industry is like.
Gaucho Racing has over 50 plus members in our organization, and we have probably over 20 different majors in our club. So we're not just focused in mechanical engineering or engineering in general, and then we also have majors in physics, math, communications. We have a German major, and they're all contributing to different parts of the team, whether it's mechanical or aerodynamics or electrical or the business publicity side of the club.
There's a lot of rigorous engineering that you might not see in class, because in class they're going to give you, oh, look at this engineered problem, you just have to solve this one part. If you mess up on the race car, there could be real consequences. Because of that, there's also a lot of reward to be had because it forces you to really understand the engineering that you're working on. Just last week, they were spinning the motor with the pedal, so you can press the pedal and you can watch the motor spin up, which may sound simple, but there's a lot of small things that can go wrong. Like they had designed a circuit board that had one resistor wrong, and it took them like 5 hours to find out what happened.
Gaucho Racing actually played a decision into why I chose UCSB. Gaucho Racing really had that new team to it where I felt like I could learn a lot in the club and really kind of experience a lot compared to the other teams I was looking at. And I thought that was a good decision and ultimately why I chose UCSB so I could join Gaucho Racing and really have an impact on the team, which I feel like I have so far. I think it also offers many career opportunities. At competition, you have dozens of companies trying to hire, sometimes right on the spot. So it offers many different networking opportunities and just a career advancement. The main reason we went for electric is because it's just the way that the industry is heading. We do have some hiccups in terms of the mechanical side, and we're trying to, push it to the deadline to get it done. But overall, I think we're kind of progressing at a pace that we'll eventually make it to competition and we'll be able to compete well in.
So the annual competition is held at the Michigan International Speedway every year in June. This year there's 100 teams competing. Every team can bring up to 30 people. So we are bringing 30 people. We're gonna put our car in a trailer and drive it all the way over. It takes about 40 hours to drive straight. They will not be sleeping, the drivers.
We spent countless hours on this project, many overnighters usually, but it's all worth it in the end once you see that car rolling down the Lagoon Road. It's just a beautiful sight.